In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Copilot account. If you no longer want to keep using Microsoft Copilot, the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to the correct Microsoft account in your browser, since the deletion option will be tied to the account currently logged in. Start by going to the Microsoft Copilot website. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully open so all of the menu options appear properly. This is the main Copilot home screen, and from here, you'll access the account controls needed for this process. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This profile area is where Microsoft places your personal account options. So if you're trying to manage or remove your account, this is the place to begin. If the menu doesn't open right away, just click once more and wait a second for it to respond. After that, click on Settings. The Settings section is where you can adjust preferences and manage different parts of your Copilot experience. Once you open it, you should see several categories or tabs available, depending on the version of the interface you're viewing. From inside Settings, click on Account. This area contains the options specifically related to your account information and account level controls. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right section before moving forward, especially if you have access to more than one Microsoft account. Then, click on Delete Account. This is the action that begins the account removal process. Be sure to read anything shown on screen carefully before confirming, since platforms often display warnings or details about what happens after deletion. In many cases, deleting an account may affect saved history, preferences, or other associated data, so it's always a good idea to review the message before you proceed. Once you select the delete option, simply follow any final prompts that appear on screen to complete the process. The exact confirmation screen may vary slightly, but the key path remains the same. And that's it. That's how to delete a Microsoft Copilot account. If you're following along, just take your time with each screen, double check that you're deleting the correct account, and complete the final confirmation when you're ready.